Okay, so for today's video, we're going to start an epoxy top for a pet carrier. This is our very first epoxy top. We're going to do the top from scratch, and let's see what we can do from there. And we want this top to be about 1.5 inches, so we're going to double up the MDF around the perimeter. But I want 1.5 inches overhang on everything, so I'm going to have to cut this thing 3 inches bigger than the pet carrier is all the way around. Let's get to work.
It's a little messy right here.
That's okay. That'll all sand out.
Okay.
Can you hand me the clamps, please?
The clamps?
Yeah.
This?
Why did I call that? Oh, yes.
Do you want me to do the same thing on this side?
Yeah, got to do it on this side. You have to miss it with the saw. Watch.
Yes.
Push that in.
Oh.
Like that. And then when you're ready to set that in place, push back until it's tight, and that's how you tighten it more.
Okay.
This side.
Oh, this side.
You're okay. There you go. Now tighten it with the handle grip.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
I'm good. We're going to need to cut the ones down. They're going to fill in the short ends. We're going to do that right now. We're going to put a little wood glue on this. This is indoor-outdoor glue. That's what I had, so it'll work.
It works. It's coming out of the bottle.
Perfect. So it is now.
And we do the process again. It's so tight, he has to hammer it down. Smush it, smush it.
And just like that top, we're going to go ahead and get ready to sand all 4 sides, so that way we can see if we can eliminate that line. If we can't, we'll fill it, and then we're going to route the entire top and the bottom of it. I just sanded everything with 120 grit sandpaper. I evened the sides up and knocked the top edge off of everything to prep it for paint. First, we're going to fill in all of the seams around it and the staple holes in the bottom, so it looks like one seamless top. We've filled all of this around the sides. Now I'm going to pull the sander back out, and we're going to knock all of the fill with that spackle down, even it out, and see if we need to put a second coat. Let's get this thing ready to paint. Now I'm going to round over the edges of the top, the bottom, and the corners of this with my little palm router. I'm just using a little 1/4 inch round over bit. You can use a bigger one, you can use none, you can do a rock edge. This is the one I'm going to choose to do for my very first project. I like the way it looks. It should be very simple, no sharp edges. That's what I'm going for. As you can see, it's a nice rounded, very soft, subtle finish on the edging here. I'm going to prime this at least 3 times before I do any of the epoxy coating. That wraps that countertop up for the day. If you guys have any questions, please leave it down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer whatever you've got. If you want to see the video where I actually pour the epoxy countertop, click on the link that I'm going to provide up here. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on for my little channel. It helps out more than you can possibly imagine. And until next time, think outside the box and do something cool.